Restaurant Association of Metropolitan Washington is extending Winter Restaurant Week for a second time due to weather. Can we just say thank you since we've been stuck here and
really
we haven't been able to get out? Oh. Man, that would be amazing. Let's put that on the list of things to do. So now the deals will run through Sunday, February 8th.
All right, so we should point out before you head out, not all participating restaurants are taking part in the extension. So make sure you check out the Restaurant Week website to see which businesses are still offering some of those discounts.
That is important. That's important. Good to know. All right.